we're really excited to offer hands-on learning opportunities. We're going to have certification for ProGit and Buildmaster at both the 101 and 201 level. I think it's worth mentioning this is literally the training that people have us come out to do in person or virtually when their team acquires licenses for either of our tools. We'd like to think there's something in it for everyone, whether you're beginner, moderate, or an advanced user. Tell me a little bit about the workshops and kind of what's in it for everyone.
Well, so obviously, as you said, of course, if you're new to the tool, the training is the fastest way to get up to speed. I think our tools are really easy to use, but learning how to use them and how others use them is huge. But I'll tell you something interesting. So I designed Buildmaster, I designed ProGit and Otter. I was involved nearly day to day with all of the code. I know our tools in and out. I know what every button does, what every feature does. Now, that being said, I did not design the training. We had a professional trainer come out, research and then build some training. It was really interesting. I did want to review every last slide and every note on the training, and I'll tell you what, I learned a lot. I wouldn't have expected to learn something while sitting through training of the products that I designed, and yet I did. There were ways of using the tools that I just hadn't considered. There were ways of explaining the features that I said, you know what, that makes a heck of a lot more sense that way when it's framed in that context. So yeah, I got to say, everyone learns something. I mean, if I built the tool and I learned something, I think even some of our most advanced users will learn something themselves.